We're now entering to the hill, the formerly Fort Pasir Panjang. The fort's emplacements were designed to hold heavy guns and artillery. 2 6-quick firing guns were placed during the World War II. The guns helped defend of enemy troops during the Battle of Pasir Panjang in February 1942. In March 2001, an old 6-inch gun barrel was found 1 meter below the ground at the site of the former Beach Road camp. It was believed to be part of a 6-inch firing gun, as it had similar features. This passage will lead you to the tunnel entrance. The tunnels mostly serve as underground storerooms for ammunitions. It was constructed in 1886. Once a strategic defense site, now a nature reserve and history site. Things of today will be things of the future. Things we do today impart history. This has been our walk in 2 worlds at Labrador Nature Reserve. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next travel content here in The Enrica YouTube channel. Ayan, kung pinapanood mo bandang huli ang video, ito yung ending. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bukit Chermin Boardwalk.